Hello everyone, so today I'll be making a circuit diagram to control these two BO motors. We'll be using an L293D motor driver shield, a volt regulator, a 9-volt battery and a breadboard. So first we'll connect the 9-volt battery to the 5-volt regulator. So we'll start with the positive and connect this to the input pin. I'll make it red to avoid confusion. Next, we'll take some black wire and connect negative to ground. Now we'll connect this ground pin over here to the negative on the breadboard, and we'll connect the output pin to the positive on the breadboard. I'll make this over here red to avoid confusion. Now the top part of the breadboard is powered, but we also need to power the bottom part. So let us connect the positive of the top to the positive of the bottom and the negative of the top to the negative of the bottom. Now let's power the L293D. So over here we can see four ground pins here, here, here and here. So let's connect them to the negative from the breadboard. One over here, one over here, one over here, one over here. So it is connected. Now let's connect the positive, which will come here, here and here. So let's take some red wire and start connecting positive, positive. Now let's connect the motors. So the positive of this motor will go to output 1, the negative of this motor goes to output 2, the positive of this motor goes to output 3, and the negative of this motor goes to output 4. So now I'll use some green wire to connect this. So positive, negative, positive, and negative. So now if we connect positive to positive, negative to negative to both the motors, the motor will move forward or clockwise. If we connect positive to negative and negative to positive of the motor will move backwards. So over here, now first we'll make both motors go forwards. So let's connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So since in output 1 is positive, so we need input 1 to also be positive. So let's take some red wire here and connect this to positive. Next, since output 2 is negative, so we need input 2 also to be negative. So here it is. Now let's connect input 3 to positive since it is positive, and input 4 to negative since that one is negative. Here we go. So now we are all set, and now let's start the stimulation. Now see, it is coming 143 bpm and 143 bpm, and the motors start to move forward. Now let us make them move backward. So for that we need to connect positive to negative, positive to negative, and negative to positive. So over here it is negative, so let us make this wire red and make it a positive. And let's make this wire black and make it negative. Let's do it for these two wires also. Here we go. Now when we start the stimulation, now both of them will be shown as minus 143 as they're moving backwards. Now if you want them to move right, so this motor should go backwards and this motor should go forwards. I'll just draw it out here. So when this goes forward, it will move like this, and this will go like this, making it to turn right. So now we'll have to, so this connection will remain the same and this connection will become forward. So now let us change it over here. So we'll stop the simulation, change the negative to positive over here, make it red, make this black and negative. So now if we start the simulation, this goes front and this goes back, causing it to turn left. Now to make it turn right, we have to do the total vice versa of what we did now. So let us make this motor go back and this motor go front. So now let's make this motor go front and this motor go back and this motor go front, which will make it to turn like this. This will go front and this will go back. So let's make this negative, this positive into a negative, and this negative into a positive. This becomes positive and this becomes negative. I'll just change the colors over here. This becomes black. This also becomes black. This becomes red. Now when we start the simulation, this motor goes forward and this goes backwards, which means it will turn like this, causing it to turn left. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please share it to other people and also subscribe to my channel.